The client may also ask for a CV or what's this? What's all of this thing? Like, am I trying to rap? Hello Internet, my name is Joanna Marie Nicolas and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about portfolios, what it is, why do you need one, and how do you create one for your own work. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanna Marie Nicolas and I create videos for aspiring Filipino freelance video editors. But if this is not your first time here, welcome back. Okay, so now that introductions are out of the way, let us proceed to our topic. What is a portfolio? According to this definition that I got from the internet,
a portfolio is a compilation of materials that exemplifies your beliefs, skills, qualifications, education, training, and experiences. It provides insight into your personality and work ethic.
So for us video editors, a portfolio is a compilation of editing work that we have done in the past that showcases our abilities and skills as a video editor. So now that we know what a portfolio is, why do we need one? What is our use for this kind of thing? Well, to answer this question, we have to look at it at the perspective of the client. Let's say that I'm a client and I'm planning to hire a video editor for my YouTube channel. How would I know if an applicant is 1. Capable of actually doing editing work? 2. Can this person really do what he claims he can do? 3. What kind of output has this person done in the past? And number 4, can this person edit videos in the style that I envision for my channel? So those 4 things are the primary questions that a client has when he or she is trying to hire a video editor for his or her team. Now, here is where a portfolio can help you out. So to answer all of these questions that the client has in his mind, you can just show him your portfolio. Let him take a peek into your past projects. Using a portfolio like this, you can easily show your client what kind of editing style you are on. And you can also show your skill level on your video editing. And most importantly, the client can decide if the vibe that you have is vibing with what he or she wants. The client may also want to see your CV or your resume, which you should also have just in case. But one of the most powerful tools that you can use when you are trying to apply for an online job is a portfolio, because it can easily show the work that you have done before. Okay, so maybe by now I have already convinced you that a portfolio is a really important tool or a very powerful tool for freelancers like us. But the next question is, how do we make one of these portfolio things? You might be thinking to yourself, well, I'm new to this online freelancing video editing thing and I don't have a collection of work to show or to put into my portfolio. What do I do now? This is not really a problem. To create a portfolio, it doesn't necessarily have to be from your past client work. You can just start collecting personal projects or videos that you have done before that may not be for a client or for paid work, but you can just collect them, put them in a digital folder or put them in a box, so to speak, and then put a little bit of presentation to it, and that's what you can call your portfolio. If you don't really have any materials or any edited videos that you have done before, if you're very new to this editing thing, you can just start creating videos on your own. Think up of projects that you can do, shoot them, edit them with the intention that this piece of work is going to be in your portfolio. This is also to your advantage, because if you are planning to attract clients, let's say YouTubers, you're planning to edit for that kind of niche, you can create vlogs or you can edit your own vlogs and then you can use those edited videos for your portfolio. Or maybe you're thinking of attracting clients in the e-commerce business, like they have their online store, they're selling online products. You can start creating ads or creating motion graphic designs. You can just grab stock footage or stock images off of Google and then edit them into this little video ad that you can use in your portfolio. But a little bit of a bonus tip here, if you have many videos to choose from or if you have done lots of videos before, don't put all of them into a box and call that your portfolio. If you are in that situation where you have lots of videos, just try to pick 3 to 5, let's say out of 20 videos that you have. You can just pick 3 to 5 videos out of all those, which are the best, like the very best ones that you think this is a flawless video that I have done. Just put all of the best ones together, and if you think one of these pieces are weak, you can just leave it out of the portfolio. This will help make your portfolio feel a lot more cleaner, a lot more solid, and more professional looking. Creating a portfolio may seem like a daunting task, and it is, because it takes a lot of time to create new pieces of video or maybe look for those old videos that you have edited before. But I think during this quarantine, we have more time in our hands than we used to, so maybe we can use some of it to be more productive. I really hope that you got some value out of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and see you on the next video. Goodbye! Today, kind of, okay, creating, ba't ang hirap na